Hello everyone, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. Today I'm going to show you how you reset the maintenance light on a 2004 Infiniti QX56. We just want to reset the maintenance light, and the way you do this is put the key in the ignition and you set it to the on position. Don't start the vehicle. This is just going to be the on position. And then you go to trip. See, it's going to flash on you just like that. You go to trip. One more time. This is trip 2. Now fuel economy. We want to keep doing that until we get to the maintenance, and then you just press that, and this is where you change the mileage. We're going to just keep it to 3,000, and then you go up, and then you click on the reset. So now it's being reset. And I actually reset those as well, and I'm gonna reset the fuel economy because I replaced the fuel pump on this. Fuel pump was replaced, so I'm gonna do that as well. And that's if you want to do the tire rotation, but there's no need to. And that's it, folks. Have a good day.